As a speaker, how do you know if your website, if your emails and your offers are working? Yes, in business, it's all about the numbers. Earlier today, I was talking to a client of mine and I was helping her process some of the things that she's experiencing with her business. And so I asked her, I said, hey, how many people are opening up your emails? How many people are seeing the offer? How many people are actually buying the offer? And at the time, she wasn't able to answer that question. And if you're going to be successful in this business of speaking, coaching, and publishing your products and courses, you must know your numbers. And that's why inside of Kajabi, they have this amazing tool called Analytics. And I want to show you exactly what you want to look for to be able to measure certain things in your speaking business. All right. So if you go over to Kajabi, like always, you have the dashboard. And if you scroll down, you have product, sales, websites, marketing. You want to come over here to something called analytics. Okay. Analytics inside of Kajabi will let you know how many purchases you've had the last 30 days, what's your gross revenue, what's your net revenue all time. And then now you can begin to look at your offers. Number one, you can look at how many people came to your cart, how many offers you had over time. We categorize all the sales, anything dealing with sales. We can categorize your marketing. We can look at your page views, right? The number of people that have come to your site. So let's say, for example, you have a web page, right? Let's say you have a web page or you have landing pages, is what you can see over here, or landing pages. Right? We only have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 landing pages. Guess what? We could go over to analytics to see how many people actually came to a landing page or page view. So now we can look at landing pages by views over the last month, okay, or the last quarter, or the last year, all through analytics. And we come down here and look at day by day, what's happening with our analytics. When we click back over here with analytics, we can also take a look at the number of offers sold, right? How many offers did we sell? And then analytics, as this thing pulls up, of course, I have 0 offers sold because I didn't sell anything from this site. But you can look day by day, look at how many offers are sold. If we go back to analytics again, we can look at the number of opt-ins, right? We can track the number of submissions to our form. Go in and take a look at this. Now, why is this so important? This is so important because now you can begin to maneuver and adjust certain things based off your speaking business. Say, for example, you go speak at a certain location, you speak at a conference, and during your presentations, you make an offer from stage. Maybe it's a free offer, right? To download your free ebook or to go to your free mini course. So you got 1,000 people in the room. You're speaking, you make an offer on stage, and then now you can see how powerful that offer is by how many people visited the actual page. Or maybe you have a podcast, maybe you have a blog, maybe you have some free content that you're delivering, right? Or maybe you're watching a YouTube video and you're having people to click a link in the YouTube video and that link leads to a certain page on your website. Now with analytics, you can go in to be able to see how that action produces the result. And then now you can look at your overall income. Is your income being impacted because you lack leads? Is your impact being impacted because you lack traffic? If it is, you can just look at the numbers, and that's why it's so important to use analytics in your business. It's all inside of Kajabi. Now, by the way, if you don't have access to Kajabi to be able to do this, hey, definitely go over to monetizeu.co/Kajabi. If you want to get my personal help and assistance, when you use my link down below, you're going to also get access to 3 bonus courses. One course called Kajabi, your one speaker tool. Another course called Money Making Website, and another free tool called Money Making Content. Now, the overall goal is to help you use Kajabi get it up running, help you use it fast, help you get the results. And I want to show you in this series how we're using Kajabi to build out a profitable speaking business. So make sure you click that link to go there. If you haven't watched the previous videos in this series, hey, go ahead and click this link here where I show you, hey, how to set up Kajabi, the different benefits of your courses, all the other previous 20 days in this series. And I would love for you to click below so you can watch the next video, or go by and just, click all the links, especially for the ones that you need. But more so, I want you to understand how you can use Kajabi to basically monetize, scale, and get paid to speak. All right. I'll see you in the next video. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.